Hello and happy Wednesday. Me and Suze are at Polly G's eating some pizza and it looks delicious. Hello and happy Thursday. I've done like just work today, so I'm getting a little workout in before I make dinner. Hello and happy Friday. Good morning. We'll get a real tight shot today because I don't have pants on. But I wanted to show you guys. So I used Eve More shampoo last night and diluted it with a lot of shampoo, regular shampoo, to see if I could get the real pastel look I was like really wanting to get, and it is like perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. So now I know like what ratio to go with to make it super pastel, which I'm quite pleased with. And I know if I want to go pinker a certain week, because I tend to not wash my hair for about a week because my hair doesn't get dry or oily rather. So yeah, I love this pastel. It's really pretty. I'm really happy with it. Love it. Okay, I'm dressed now. I'm wearing this romper again. One, because I didn't get any good pictures in it. And two, because it's incredibly comfortable. I'm going to brunch with my mom. Not brunch, lunch with my mom later today. It's still pretty early. It's almost 9-ish. But I'm going to go make myself some kind of fancy coffee drink. I'm just in the mood for some sort of fancy coffee. And I don't feel like walking to Starbucks because Austin's got the car. And it's going to be a hot one today, so I don't feel like sweating. But I do really like this. The more I'm like, it's so comfortable. But I think this was like nearly $300. So, not going to buy this one. This one, however, was pretty marked down on the Rent the Runway website. And I'm like thinking about it. I'm hardcore thinking about keeping that. But I don't know. I mean, I have a million dresses. Do I need another one? Absolutely need another one. But I mean, do I really need another one? Especially going into fall. That doesn't really transition into fall. I have plenty of things that do. Like, I think this Zimmerman will look great in fall. This little sleeper dress. Obviously, my yellows and my oranges look great in fall. So, I don't want to get too much stuff that's just gonna sit come September, which, I mean, we're at the end of August almost, so yeah. I do like this though. It grew on me. It's very comfortable. It's wrinkled, but I don't care. I'm loving it. So I made myself a fancy little coffee. I just used instant to brew it up because I didn't feel like making a whole pot. And then I cold frothed some, I had an Elmhurst oat creamer that I had a little bit of left from the beach. So I frothed that up. I added a little date syrup, and then I dropped some maple marshmallows in there, but you can't see them. They kind of sunk. So it is delightful. Oh, I also added a little bit of my homemade pumpkin spice blend to the instant coffee, so that kind of bloomed with it. It's so good. It's nice and fall-like, even though it's not fall outside. Actually, I might go sit outside. It's been a little bit since I've had my coffee outside, so that sounds really nice. I think I'll do that. Hello and happy Saturday. It's early. It's like just after 8, I think. We got up early. And I have a pumpkin spice latte. Yes. And a bagel, which is really hot. I'm gonna sit that down. And we are heading up to my mom's house. We're gonna do some yard sailing with her today. And I'm hoping to find some sort of wonderful, amazing, secret, cheap find of some sort. What do you think?
I don't know.
Austin's always looking for the $5 find that ends up being like the Antique Roadshow $1 million piece. I don't think he's going to find it in rural Pennsylvania, but you never know. You never know. So, I'm wearing my Aritzia top, this J. Crew neon pink pleated skirt, and then I have the Susan Alexander bag, and Ready to yard sale? Ready to find some deals. Hello, birdies. Hello. We're back from Pennsylvania and my grandma's. I didn't do a lot of filming. I don't think I did any filming, actually. It's just awkward filming like people's homes at a yard sale. Like, so I didn't want to make anyone uncomfortable. They live in the country and people tend to like their privacy when they live in the sticks. So I didn't do too much filming, but let me show you what I got because I did get some things at the yard sales. So I got two little purses. Little vintage purses. I got this one at an antique mall, actually, and it's really cool. It's got like beaded details. The clasp is a cool detail. It's really, really cool. And I got this one right here. It's got a little metal handle and it's just immaculate. Like, the stitching is gorgeous. And this one's got a little stone clasp, which is really cute. Then I got these two oil paintings at a yard sale. I need to touch up the frame a tad on that one, but they're like actual oil paintings someone made and they're really cute. I think once the house is painted, which just keeps getting pushed back, which is getting on my nerves, I think these might actually look really cool in our bedroom with the color I have in mind. So excited about these. I got this blue dish, which is probably going to end up living on one of our bookshelves here in the living room. It's just really pretty. Like, don't know what I'm going to put in that, but I love it. It's gorgeous. And the last thing I got is this mirror that I think I'm going to put somewhere downstairs just right before we go out the door, because we just need like a little look at yourself real quick, make sure you're okay, touch up mirror down there. So it's really cute. This would actually be a good size to put in a bathroom too. I forgot to show these. I got these weird little earrings. They were just so unusual and unlike anything I'd ever seen, so I thought I'd get those too. They're pretty cheap. So we had about an hour and a half, 2 hours to rest, and now we're off to the football game. It's a preseason game. I prefer preseason games. They're less intense. I'm just wearing the same Aritzia top, these jeans, and my Vans, a little headband, just being very casual. So they were playing teenagers versus mascot football, and the Poe mascot is legitimately injured. They just brought out the cart for him. That is insane. Woo, let's go Ravens. Good morning. Happy Saturday. We slept in. I did not roll over and look at my phone until like 9 o'clock, which is very late for me. So I feel like already thrown off. I'm gonna go to the local coffee shop, meet Suze, get some coffee, probably sit outside there and relax. Just wearing this simple little stretchy black dress. This was from Express a million years ago. I've got a little headband. I'm gonna wear my brown Brandon Blackwood purse and probably just my black plastic Birkenstocks. And that's the outfit of the day. I'm just tired. I need my coffee. I just need my coffee. Say good morning, Suze.
Good morning, Suze.
We've got our coffee that I've drank a lot of. We're at Good Neighbor. It's lovely out. It's a little humid, but it's nice. Hello, it's Sunday evening now. I feel like I'm looking real terrible. I don't know why. Maybe it's the lighting. Maybe I'm just looking terrible. Who knows? Anyway, yeah, it's Sunday evening, and Susan and I went to get coffee this morning at Good Neighbor, and that was lovely. We sat there for a long time, actually, a couple hours, chatting and drinking our coffee, and I came home and had some avocado toast, because I had an avocado that was older than I probably should have let it get, but the miracle was still perfect on the inside. I topped that with one of my mom's tomatoes from her garden, so that was a nice breakfast. We watched some soccer, took a nap at some point. We just watched Drag Race Down Under, and I keep getting sad to see people go this season. This season's been a lot better than the first season, so there's that. And I'm just sitting outside, relaxing, probably gonna read a little. It is a gorgeous evening. It's warm, but there's a beautiful breeze. It's like so nice out. It was a nice weekend. It was really busy yesterday, but overall, very nice weekend. So hopefully it'll be a nice week. And there's so much coming up in September. And we're going to a festival in like less than a month, and I'm like not mentally prepared. I don't know. Yeah, so I just feel like a lot of things are happening, coming quickly, and the end of summer is coming quickly. I'm not ready for it. I'm just not ready. I wish I could pause things, slow things down just a little, so it could be summer a bit longer. But at least it's still gonna be hot for a while, so I guess there's that. Yeah. Just lots of things coming up fast. Can't slow life down. Yeah, I'm gonna stop chatting to my phone and do a little reading now. Hello and happy Tuesday. It was Tuesday in the previous clip. I don't know, I was being silly. But I got my new Rent the Runway pieces. We've got this yellow dress, this white dress with yellow flowers, and two different pink maxis. Ooh, I'm pulling the door. And this one's like floral. So I'll probably get a reel of those up sometime in the next day or two. Hello and happy Wednesday. We're at dinner. We're at Cipriana. So they have a bunch of vegan options. We're just doing a nice casual little dinner to celebrate being together for 10 years.
We'll have to eat all the falafel.
Got falafel, moussaka, grape leaves, hummus. Okay, so this clip is a little weird, but Fran loves to play this game where she inches closer to me every time I turn my head and I'm not looking at her anymore. So I just had to include it because it's the first time I've actually captured it, and I think it's the funniest thing. She is so adorable. Cute little kitty cat.